Welcome, and thank you for joining us as we peer into our ever-evolving world. So, let's imagine a world where the decisions made in split seconds at high-stakes corporate boardrooms can be optimized with insights gleaned from complex data in real time. A world where a doctor in New York consults with an AI-driven diagnostic system to treat a patient in a remote village in India. This is no longer the stuff of sci-fi movies, but a reality being shaped today by the forces of artificial intelligence, or AI. As we stand on the brink of what many call the fourth industrial revolution, powered largely by AI, it is crucial to understand this technology that is rapidly defining the new age of human existence. The story of AI begins in the smoky conference rooms and university labs of the mid-20th century, where pioneers like Alan Turing and John McCarthy imagined machines that could perform tasks preserved for human intellect. Turing's 1950 paper, Computing Machinery and Intelligence, where he proposed what is now known as the Turing test, set the stage for what AI could one day become. Turing's vision was not just about building a machine that could think. It was about understanding the essence of the human mind through technological mimicry. His foundational work inspired generations of researchers to push beyond the mechanical and into realms of genuine cognitive simulation. McCarthy, often called the father of AI, coined the term artificial intelligence in 1956, setting up the first academic conference on the subject. This event brought together researchers keen on exploring the capacities of these emergent machines. Please drop a like and subscribe if you enjoy the content on our channel, so you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. AI's principal task is to perceive its environment and make decisions based on that input. This ability is powered by a concept central to modern AI, machine learning, or ML. Unlike traditional programming, ML uses statistical methods to enable data-driven predictions or decisions through building models from sample inputs. Modern AI systems use deep learning, a subset of ML techniques based on artificial neural networks with representation learning. Learning can be supervised, semi-supervised, or unsupervised. Deep learning has revolutionized AI's capabilities in image and speech recognition, natural language understanding, and autonomous vehicle navigation, among others. These systems learn from vast amounts of data presented to them, improving over time, mimicking a form of digital evolution. Today, AI is not just a speculative venture. It's a fundamental part of the business model for many companies, driving innovations that redefine competitiveness in the market. From algorithms that predict consumer behavior to systems that automate entire supply chains, AI's role in business is ubiquitous and transformative. For example, AI helps companies in retail manage and synchronize their inventory with unprecedented precision, using predictive analytics to anticipate market shifts before they happen, thereby reducing waste and increasing efficiency. Moreover, customer service has been overhauled by chatbots and intelligent virtual assistants, offering personalized experiences to customers globally without human intervention. This shift not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also redefines roles within the corporate structures, prompting a reevaluation of strategic resource allocation. Healthcare and AI, a promise of precision. The interplay between AI and healthcare is perhaps one of the most promising fields of application. AI's ability to sift through and analyze vast quantities of data quickly and accurately is a significant boon in medical diagnostics, drug development, personalized medicine, and patient management systems. AI applications range from sophisticated radiology tools that help diagnose conditions from X-rays and MRIs with incredible accuracy to robotic surgeries that can perform complex procedures with minimal human intervention. Furthermore, AI-driven genomic analysis is personalizing treatment plans for patients based on their genetic makeup, opening up paths to highly tailored medication and therapy treatments that are more effective and have fewer side effects. As these tools become more refined, the full realization of personalized medicine becomes increasingly tangible. AI ethics navigating the minefield. As AI becomes more capable and widespread, ethical concerns multiply. These include issues like bias in AI algorithms, which can perpetuate and amplify existing human biases in data, privacy concerns, as surveillance and data gathering become more pervasive, and the moral implications of AI decisions, particularly in critical applications like autonomous vehicles and healthcare. Addressing these concerns requires a concerted effort from developers, policymakers, and the public to develop robust ethical guidelines and transparent AI systems that respect human rights and freedoms. This effort is crucial not only in maintaining trust in AI systems, but in ensuring they do not exacerbate social inequalities or erode democratic values. The journey of implementing ethical AI is as much about the technology as it's about the societal adaptation to its implications. This dual process presents an ongoing challenge that must be met with both innovative solutions and comprehensive oversight. AGI, the horizon of possibilities. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, represents a future stage where AI systems possess the ability to understand or learn any intellectual task that a human being can. This level of AI would not only replicate human cognitive abilities, but could potentially surpass them. The implications of AGI are profound, touching every aspect of human life and our societal structures. Researchers speculate that the advent of AGI could lead to rapid scientific advancements, as these systems could design complex experiments, solve intricate mathematical problems, and accelerate the pace of discovery in fields like quantum physics and material science. However, the path to AGI is fraught with technical and ethical challenges. The balance between developing AGI and ensuring it is safe and beneficial for humanity is a delicate one, requiring global cooperation and rigorous oversight. Automation at home. AI as a household companion. The integration of AI into home automation is changing the domestic landscape. Smart homes, equipped with AI-driven systems, are no longer a futuristic concept, but a present reality. These systems manage everything from energy consumption to security and even personal health monitoring, all via intuitive interfaces. AI in homes simplifies daily tasks, enhances living comfort, and provides unprecedented levels of personalization. For instance, AI-powered kitchen appliances can suggest recipes based on what's available in your fridge, learn your dietary preferences, and assist in meal preparation. Moreover, AI-driven security systems can distinguish between residents, visitors, and intruders, offering a new level of safety and peace of mind. As these technologies evolve, the definition of home itself is being reshaped around the capabilities and conveniences offered by AI. The space race, AI beyond Earth. AI's role in space exploration is pivotal. It assists in operating spacecraft, managing deep space communications, and processing enormous quantities of data from space missions. AI-driven robots and rovers are exploring planetary surfaces, conducting experiments, and making decisions autonomously. One of the most iconic examples is NASA's Mars rovers, which use AI to navigate the Martian terrain and conduct geological assessments to search for signs of life. These missions are not just triumphs of engineering. They are testaments to AI's potential to extend our reach and deepen our understanding of the cosmos. As we plan for long-duration human spaceflights or even colonization of other planets, AI will be a crucial partner, handling complex tasks in environments that are inhospitable to human life. AGI in education, changing how we learn. The educational sector is undergoing a transformation thanks to AI. Personalized learning environments powered by AI adapt to the needs of individual students, providing tailored resources and learning activities to optimize student engagement and learning outcomes. AI tools help identify students' strengths and weaknesses, allowing educators to focus more effectively on individual needs. Moreover, AI can automate administrative tasks, freeing teachers to spend more time interacting with students and less on bureaucracy. The potential for AI to democratize education, making high-quality learning materials accessible to students in remote or underserved regions, is particularly compelling. This could significantly bridge educational disparities, offering every child a chance to achieve their full potential. Considering the unthinkable AI in warfare. The military applications of AI are among the most controversial. Autonomous drones and robotic soldiers are changing the nature of warfare, making it possible to conduct military operations remotely and with fewer human troops. While the use of AI in defense can enhance efficiency and reduce casualties among human soldiers, it also raises significant ethical and security concerns. The prospect of machines making life and death decisions, possibly without human intervention, is a stark reminder of the potential perils of unchecked AI development. The debate over AI in warfare underscores the need for clear international norms and treaties to manage and regulate AI technologies in military applications, ensuring they serve humanity's best interests. AI-driven future cities. Urban life reimagined. AI is at the heart of the smart city revolution. Through the integration of AI systems into the infrastructure of cities, urban areas can become more adaptive and efficient. AI optimizes traffic flow, reduces energy consumption, enhances public safety, and improves municipal services through predictive analytics. Future cities might rely on AI to a degree previously unimaginable, creating environments where nearly every utility and service is monitored, managed, and maintained by intelligent systems. The potential for AI to improve quality of life and reduce the ecological footprint of cities is vast. However, as cities become smarter, issues of privacy and surveillance arise. Balancing technological advancements with the rights and freedoms of individuals presents a significant challenge for society moving forward. Conclusion: the road ahead for AI and humanity. As we probe deeper into the realm of AI, it becomes clear that this technology is not merely a tool, but a potential pivot in the evolution of human society. Whether it's transforming industries, enhancing daily life, or venturing into space, AI's influence is profound and growing. The journey towards a future, intertwined with AI, is full of promise, but also laden with challenges. It requires careful navigation to harness AI's benefits while mitigating its risks. This balance will dictate the quality of our future, where AI could either be a partner in human progress or a source of unprecedented disruption. As we stand at this crossroads, the choices we make about AI development and implementation will determine the legacy we leave for future generations. The generations that we pass the torch to will continue on and make further progressions in science and technology, reaching to the stars with their ongoing curiosity, making groundbreaking advancements and solving the many problems that we didn't find an answer to. The children that we see today are that future, and AI will help to see them through. This is not just a technological evolution, but a defining moment in human history. Until next time, stay elevated.